Okay, I've been looking at this picture. I can see things better in a picture than I can in real life. And first thing I want to point out is yesterday I had spoken about not worrying about the edges, and right here you can see I got a dot outside the line and a little down here. These edges came out pretty nice. But the reason is because this whole area, all this side insetting will be painted afterwards, so at that time I can take care of cleaning up any edges that got spotted here. Now the other thing is I was looking at this today, and what I spotted was this. I spotted the problem because the problem I'm having is the coloring in here. And when I look at this, right, I've got no problem going from the red to the yellow here, purple here, all this thing, because they're all on white. They all will look great. The problem is that this is not the same as this. These are like, if this was a musical, this would be a different key from this. So I've got to bring this, change the key of this to match the key of the board. So what I'm thinking of doing, I'm going to have to do a couple of tests on some red paint on another board and see if I can do something to bring it in tune with this. And I'm thinking of a glaze of white to like lighten it up a bit, or mixing this color and doing a glaze of it over this, or maybe some kind of stain on there. But basically, I think what I'm going to do, pending the experiment, I'm going to go ahead and color all this as I wish. I'm not doing that red. And then glaze over the whole thing with something, with a thin glaze that'll let the color come through, but will change the key of it, as it were, to match with this. Maybe what the word I need is palette, the color palette. I don't know, but like I said, musical analogy, these are in different keys and I need to bring them together. So that's going to take some experimentation, and that will be my next step. So just bringing you up to date on where I am on this thing.